Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's tutorial guys, we will continue our latest update on our VCBox version 11. So now we are finished the installation. You will see on the update VCBox version 11 installation on my channel. Uploaded a few days ago. So we stopped there. I just told her how to install it. I'm using a Contabo as a BBS, so we able to upload to ISO installer, so it will successfully install the VCBox version 11. Okay, so for today we will continue it. So on that day we already changed our admin, so the default user login for the Vicidial is username 6666, and the default password is 1234. And then when you click the sign in, you will redirect to change the following password. So change domain password, phone password, registration password, and default, etc., etc. Okay, so for today we will update now our user, because if you notice, if you change your password and relogin again, so you don't have permission from uh, most of the settings, like the campaign. I think, I'm sure you don't have permission. Okay, so for that, the next step after you change your password and able to login, you need to click the modified. Okay, and then you need to scroll it down, and then look the admin interface option. Okay, after that you need to change all of this to 1, because this user is the main user admin. Okay, just change this to 1. Okay, so later we will create another user. If you have another admin or manager, so you can able also to create them their own user, so that is they will not share the user from each other. So much better, all managers, all agents, all anything that have access on the dialer or admin, they must have their own user account, so that you can easily to manage to monitor them, because every user modification on the dialer, they have logs, or they have a change log on the dialer. So if somebody change it and the calls or something is not working fine after they change, so you can able to identify them. Okay, just submit. Okay, and then you can able to see now all the functions and other users. Okay, you can now go to the inbound, select this one, reports, view reports. Okay, okay, yeah, so you can see we are using the latest SVN version right now is 3873 version for the SVN. To double check our version, so you can go to the admin system settings, and then you will see the SVN version. Okay, okay, all right. So again, so for this one, after we change okay, so hope you are enjoy our video again. We are the update login for our main first login on our installation for latest Vicidial. Okay, thank you guys, and have a nice day. See you on our next video.